welcome to a weekly vlog. I'm gonna be taking you guys around with me for the next week or so. We're gonna do lots of fun things, maybe some not so fun things, and I'm gonna just take you guys along with me. Today, it is Wednesday morning and I am on my way to go pick up some coffee, and then I'm gonna go look at new cars, and I'm gonna need your help to decide which car to get. So currently I drive a Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to get another Jeep Wrangler, but there's two versions that I'm gonna be looking at. There's one that's a step up above the one that I have now, and then there's another one that's like maybe two steps up above. And I know that the car industry right now is on one. The prices are insane, so that will be a huge determining factor. But anyways, sit back and enjoy today's vlog. I drank decaf because I'm already wired. I have so much energy the moment that I wake up in the morning. I do not need any extra caffeine. I'm good without it. Except for on the days where like I get zero sleep. I'm somebody who needs like 9 hours of sleep, 8-9 hours of sleep a night. That's like my sweet spot. So if I get less than that and I'm on set or something like that, I might have a little bit of caffeine, but other than that, man, come up to my window and just scare me like that. It's freaky. This next portion of today's video is sponsored by a brand called Yida Home. They sent me this gorgeous gold fan that I'm gonna be installing in place of that. I need your help because I don't know if I want to install it in my living room, if I want to install it in my closet. I don't think that it's going to fit in my bedroom because I have a poster bed, so I don't think that there's enough space between the bars, the bed, and the fan. I'm going to quickly unbox this with you guys. I'm waiting for my handyman to come because I don't think that I can install this myself, but I just have to show you guys how beautiful it looks. I'll throw up a photo of what it looks like right here. It's this gold tropical ceiling fan. Look at this gold, you guys. If this is not my aesthetic, I don't know what is. We've got all the pieces unboxed. I'm gonna quickly read off some of the important information to you before we get to installing. So basically, this is a 52-inch fan. It has lights and a remote with memory function. I don't know what that means, but I will find out. Brass finish, silent motor, 3-color LED light function, which is really important to note. So if you like warm or cool lighting, you can change that based upon your preference. It provides a coastal style and creates a comfortable romantic holiday atmosphere, which is super cute. You can put it on a timer for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. It can be used indoor and outdoor, which is also important to know. It's lightweight. It's got 5 palm leaves. It can be reversed for the winter time, so that way hot air is sort of like pulled up by the fan and then dispersed throughout the room. Even at the highest speed, it's saying that it can run quietly. And there's 2 different kinds of installation methods. There's a lower tie rod, which is the standard or the inclined installation, and also a low installation, ideal for floor heights 9 feet to 10 feet high. Free shipping, 30-day return policy. It's also waterproof. I'm really excited to get this thing up. I'll check in with you guys after the installation.
Oh baby, wanted you to be here inside my arms where the night goes down. Oh baby, I wanted you to be here when the sun comes up and the day goes by.
So we are in a version of the car that I would be getting. It's not the same thing because I would be getting the automatic roof, which I have already in my car currently. But the drive is going to feel a little bit different. The interior is going to be a little bit different. And I think there's two options to either get the black interior leather or the green interior leather. Definitely want the green. Green is definitely more interesting. And I'm going to just take it for a ride.
So right now it's running off of the electric only.
Okay.
All right.
Cool.
When you go to pull off,
yep,
you're not going to hear any sound right away, but that's absolutely normal. And then when it needs the gas engine, it'll kick in on its own.
Okay.
All right. So.
Y'all, what in the actual heck? Okay. I'm driving this car, and basically, there's a car pulling out in front of me right now. I just take my foot off the accelerator, and the car basically like slows down for me. Like, I don't even have to use my foot. This is such a weird feeling. It's so interesting. It's nice and quiet as I pull off. Let me see if I can show you guys what I mean by this. So basically, I'm gonna pull over right now. I'm gonna take my foot off the accelerator, and the car almost comes to a complete stop. I'm not even touching anything down there. That's wild! So this is the only reason why I don't love leather seats. I'm sweating all over it. Look at that. Ah! I need some sort of like seat cover or towel. I do not like leather seats at all for this very reason. Okay, this is the Willys. Basically the same car that I have now, Sport, but just big ass tires, which I kind of like, but I guess it has a little bit of a different feel to it. So I'm gonna go and actually test drive this as well. Let me see if it's open. Yeah. Has the same basic interior. Oh, this is interesting. It's got like a lighter fabric dash. Huh. That's so interesting. But same screen and all the other gadgets. And then obviously the automatic roof that I already have. This, you guys, has green leather interior, which is really sexy looking. It's very different versus just like the black leather interior. Look at these beefy tires. Look at these beefy tires. Okay, I'm pretty certain that I'm going to be getting a white car. I guess I need your help. Do I want to get a white car or a black car? I'm pretty sure I'm going to go back to my white. like cotton candy. That's crazy. Best ever. The bubbles in this, freaking insane. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day. I'm not doing anything exciting today except for going to a coffee shop. I have so much work to do. And then I'm going to go look at another car. My car guy called me last night with some crazy numbers. So I'm gonna go look at another one, see what's up with that. And then I'm gonna go to another Zumba class tonight. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Latte with almond milk, which is usually what I get. And I'm just gonna get some work done outside while it's not 97 degrees outside. I'm about to make myself some lunch. I was thinking about making a grilled shrimp salad. And there's one thing that I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so I went to my parents' house, I don't know, maybe, I'm thinking it was like at least 4 weeks ago. Was it longer than that? I don't remember, but it was quite a while ago, you guys. And my mom has a garden in her yard, and she takes very good care of it, grows lots of vegetables. I don't understand how she sent me lettuce. I mean, this is probably getting towards the end, but look at how it's not wilted. How is this lettuce still alive after all this time? All she did was put it in a plastic baggie for me. And it's been fine this entire time. She put 2 kinds of lettuce in here. And I just can't believe that it's... Look at this. I just can't believe it. How? How? It makes you really think about how long the food has been in grocery stores for. Because I feel like when I buy lettuce, it goes bad like that same week if I don't eat it fast enough. I don't know if she put some sort of magic in her soil or what, but, or maybe putting it in a plastic baggie? How? How? going in to sign the paperwork for my new car. I did it, yeah. I'm getting exactly what I want. It's scary. But I just aren't ready. Morning. I have a few packages, a few PR packages to open with you guys and a few other packages to open. This first one is from Bare Minerals, you guys. I just can't believe sometimes that I get these packages because I'm like so grateful and I feel like I'm undeserving. Look at how much stuff they sent. Okay, so first up is this brush. Next up is a lip liner. Then we've got the bronzer, which is like a blush and bronzer at the same time. I cannot wait to try that. Then we've got the Lifelong Herb Serum. And we've got the Skin Perfecting Matte Liquid Foundation. We've got 2 of those. I think probably it comes in 2 different colors. Yeah, Light Cool and Fair Cool. And then we've got the Lasting Matte Liquid Lipstick. We've got 2 of those, and then we also have a mascara, and I'm actually gonna try some of these on right now with you guys. I'm gonna put a little bit more just around my chin. Maybe that's a little bit too much. See how light it is? I have my summer tan, so yeah. I guess it blends in pretty good. All right, well, the one thing that I am very excited to try is the bronzer, which is basically a blush and bronzer in one. So I'm gonna be trying this. This is the color Kiss of Copper, and they sent me a new brush to try as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try this. Okay, I think it's pretty pigmented, so. This is basically, oh shit. This is basically the only thing that I've been wearing. Wow, it's really pigmented. Okay, well, we're gonna just see if we can make this work and blend it in. So you really only need a very little bit of this, apparently. And it's giving more like, I don't know, coppery than I'd like. I don't know, let me just see. Wait until I see when I'm done. Okay, it's not so bad after I blended it out. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but now that it's blended out, I actually think that it's really quite pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit extra on my nose for the sun-kissed look. And then let's move on to the lip. Okay, very creamy. All right, we've got two colors to choose from. We've got Brave and Lucky. Brave and Lucky. Both of them look dark for me. Which one should I choose? FYI, the lip liner pencil color is called Cherish Rose. Let's try Brave. Let's just go for it. This is matte as well. Lasting matte lipstick. And matte can be hard sometimes. It can be really drying. Actually, I don't mind this color at all. Okay, moving on to the mascara. This is Maximist Bare Minerals. Whoa. This is just big. It's just big, and this is gonna be really hard to do in the phone. Okay, so this eye has mascara and this eye does not. It's giving light. It's giving not lengthening or thickening really. It just sort of coats my lashes very slightly. So if that's something you're looking for, great. It's just not something that I would probably use on a daily basis. And I'm going to wear it all day to see if it transfers underneath my eye because I cannot be bothered by that. That's why I really use tubing mascara only at this point. But we're gonna give it a shot. For my very last step, I'm gonna just use the Glossier Boy Brow just to give these some definition. The only other thing that I did was I added some Endless Cacao to the outside of my lip liner, just to give it some more definition. But overall, I'm very happy with this brush. I love this brush. More packages, PR packages that arrived when I was in Mexico. Second one is from Prada. This is the Virtual Flower Paradox perfume. I'm gonna actually open it now and smell it with you because I don't have any idea what this smells like. I'm very particular about my scents, you guys know that. Oh. Okay. It's definitely floral. That makes sense. Virtual flower. I have no idea how to even call out these scents, but it's fresh. It's a little bit sweet smelling. I think I actually might like that. I didn't think that I would. All right, so thank you so much to Prada for sending that my way. And then the next and last PR box that was sent was from Lancome. I am always just so amazed by these packages, you guys. This is Lancome and Emma. And this is what they sent me. I honestly, like, every time, I can't believe how many things they send me. And in full sizes, it's crazy. All right, so there's a liquid eye blusher. There's 3 of those. And they're in the color Sunburst, Sienna, and Sandstorm. The Clarifique Refining Brightening Pro Solution. We've got the CILS Booster Extra Large. That's a mascara. We've got 2 sunscreens that they sent. And then they've got the L'Absolu Rouge Intimate Soft Matte Lipstick. More SPF. We've got the By Facile Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. And then last but not least, Idol Mascara. So I'm going to try these on with you guys at some point as well. Since we just tried the Bare Minerals, we'll keep that one for this vlog, but maybe I'll try the Lancome products in the next. About the car. It's ready for me to pick up. So I am gonna head there tomorrow and pick up my brand new car. I can't believe it. So I really like making the salmon dish. Basically, I just made some rice. Tonight I made some spinach, but sometimes I make broccoli as well. And then the sauce for the salmon is Grey Poupon mustard, tamari sauce, which is also soy sauce but gluten-free, and then a little bit of honey. And then I put a little bit of coconut oil on the top of the salmon before I bake it at 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. It makes it so moist. It is so good. I cannot wait to eat this. I could literally eat this every day of my life. That's how good it is. It's so delicious. I got back from the gym a little bit late because I needed to film an audition, and my coach, the woman who ran the class that I took, ended up talking to me for quite a while after the class, which is totally fine. And then I had to do my audition, and then I came back and cooked. So it's 8:45. I'm just eating now. I still have to shower, wash my hair, and all that good stuff. But I'm going to eat dinner, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to go to the gym and then go pick up my car. The next day. I don't think I actually checked with you this morning. It's about 1:30 and I am on my way to go get my car. This morning I went to the gym. I caught up with some friends at the gym, came home, made some breakfast, and basically just had to grab my extra key for my Jeep and then also run to the storage unit to grab the case that they give me to put like the back windows in, because I obviously have to return that when I turn in my car. So I can't believe I'm doing this, you guys. This feels big only because it's just more expensive than the car that I'm driving currently, and it's scary. It's really scary, you know. All I have is myself. But I always bet on myself, and I never let myself down. And I thought about maybe potentially buying it after the 3-year lease is up because I love it so much. So we'll see. We'll see what happens in a couple of years. But this way, I don't have to pay interest on leasing a car. And then, you know, once my lease is up, I'll basically have half the car already paid off, depending on what they give me for resale value, obviously. And then I could just pay that in cash. So that way I don't have to pay any interest. So we'll see. I can't wait to show you guys. Here she is. With the green interior. Good morning. It is the next day. It is Sunday morning. And I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I love going to my Sunday morning gym classes. My guy Sam works us out, and it is so intense, but it's so amazing. I wish I could like film some of the classes for you guys, but to protect everybody else's privacy, I try not to. But I'll see what I can show you guys today. I'll at least show you the room. Maybe I'll do that. And I'm actually gonna go drive because there is the window case in the back of the truck, and also this other contraption that I can actually use as like a generator. And then also the charging wire, like I need to figure out a place to put all of that stuff. I think I'm gonna go drop it off in my storage unit. But I couldn't stop thinking about my car last night, and I was like, I hope nobody does anything to it, and I hope I can protect it for as long as possible. So super excited to get in there today. I just want to check it out again. Yeah, she's so pretty. I sent my picture to my mom last night of the car, and she's like, it's so pretty. Yeah, she's clean. She's clean, and I love her. And it smells like a new car. I love that smell. Oh my God, just died. Woo. Hi guys, it is the next day. I've lost track of my days. It's Monday. Yesterday I went to the gym. I did 2 classes back to back. Oh yeah, I did check in with you guys yesterday. I did a Zumba class and also a HIIT class. And I was completely exhausted afterwards. I'm on my way to the gym now in my new whiskey outfit. And I've been invited to do like a trial class. This is a class that they don't have on the schedule yet. And so they've asked their favorite gym people to come and check out the class. So that's where I'm headed now. I've already been to the post office, and I've already shot 2 pieces of content, and it's only like 12. I love that for me. Hi guys, it is Tuesday. It is the next day, and today is the last day that I'm going to be bringing you guys along for the week. I wanted to actually take you through what it looks like to shoot some content with me, show you a little bit behind the scenes, and then tonight we're going to go to an event together. But I am getting ready to shoot a Pretty Little Thing try-on haul, and this is kind of what it looks like. Right now I just steamed everything. I sort of lay everything out here on the couch, all of the outfits. I didn't hang them back up only because I didn't want them to get wrinkled. Yeah, and then I'll take you guys into the bedroom. And this is what the setup looks like. Here's my camera. That's where I stand. And then This is the mirror that I look in to make sure that everything is laying flat and all the clothes look good. And so yeah, this is kind of what it looks like to shoot. This is my light. I block out the window to make sure that there's no light that's going to affect my shot. I have this light over here as well. And then I also put this light right here, and I'll get my stand for it and show you guys how I set that up. Also preparing for another shoot over here, so it kind of looks a little crazy on shoot days. Hi guys. Okay, so I am dressed. I'm ready to go. I just parked. I'm heading into the PR event right now. So tonight's event is for this company called Quip. It's a toothbrush company. It's an oral care company. I've actually used one of their gold toothbrushes in the past. So I'm excited to see what this new launch and this new toothbrush is all about. And I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. And then after my event, I have to pick up an order at Sephora in Meatpacking District. And then I'm gonna go to Catch, which used to be my favorite restaurant in all of Manhattan. I haven't been there in a very long time. I'm gonna go meet a friend for dinner.
It's our first oscillating toothbrush. It has 2 speeds. I use it on gentle mode. It has a pressure sensor, so if you're someone that brushes too hard, it like stops you. You can put the